Meet YJC POWER, wall-mounted PV all-in-one ESS. Traditionally, off-grid home ESS systems required separate components: a solar charge controller, an inverter, and battery charger, and an energy storage battery. YJC POWER now offers a 4-in-1 solution that integrates all four into one sleek enclosure. Its integrated design makes installation effortless. No extra brackets or complicated wiring needed. Solar panels generate power, flowing through wiring into the battery. The built-in PCS converts DC to AC to run your home appliances, so helping you cut down on electricity bills. When solar output is insufficient, the system draws additional power from the battery to meet demand. The high-contrast LCD displays real-time voltage, frequency, current, and more. On cloudy days or in extended bad weather, simply plug into the grid for seamless backup power. Then use it during outages to charge your phone, light bulbs, and other appliances. An intelligent cooling fan and orange metal housing ensure efficient heat dissipation. With an affordable price point, robust 5-year warranty, and complete power station capabilities, YJC wall-mounted PVESS is your long-term investment in energy independence. Simplify your power. Choose YJC wall-mounted PV all-in-one ESS today.